Hi, this will be Trystal Skit number 6, and this skit will just be focused on moving lines around using shortcut keys on the keyboard. So I'm going back to my New Year's resolution file. On this one I've added lines, and I want some of these lines to be indented so that they're nested under other lines that can be opened and closed or expanded and collapsed, however you want to state that. So I have to start somewhere. I'm going to start at the top, and I'm going to move my mouse to the side. So now I'm using just the arrow keys to scroll through, and I can scroll here. In order to expand this and see what's hidden underneath, I just use the right arrow key, and then to collapse it again, I use the left arrow key. So that's pretty straightforward. Now I want to highlight more than one line, so I can hit Shift and combine that with the Shift key with the up or down arrow keys. In fact, what I really want to do here is I want to move a few lines to be subsets of Mobilize My Documents. So I'm going to hide these lines because they all belong as part of Mobilize My Documents. So the first thing I'm going to do is highlight them. So Shift and down arrow all the way down to my next resolution. So I can now hit Control and combine Control and right arrow, and it's going to indent all of the lines that I had highlighted. And now I've actually indented them 2 levels, so I'll move them one back. So I'm just holding Control and using the right arrow and left arrow, and I can move down as far as I want, back up, and I can move them above Mobilize My Documents, but I really want them to be part of the Mobilize My Documents title. So now taking my hand off the Shift or the Alt key, just using the arrow keys, I can scroll back up to Mobilize My Documents, and just by hitting the left arrow, I've closed it. And the same thing, I can create sublevels here, so I can use the down arrow key to scroll down, and I want to move some of these household maintenance items as a subset underneath creating the file for household maintenance schedule. So again, use the up down arrows to position the line, and I'm going to start at change filter. Now I'm going to hit Shift down arrow for as many lines as I want. There we go. And I'm going to move all these over, Control, right arrow, and now I've moved them all under create a file for household maintenance schedule. Just use the up arrow to go back up to the header line, and use the left arrow to close that, and the left arrow again to close it all. So now I'm back to where I was with my 5 original resolutions. Using the right arrow, I can scroll through, open them all, see what's underneath. I can leave the bottom levels open and just use the left arrow to close the whole thing, and still looks nice and clean and very well organized. So that is it for Trystal Skit 6. Thanks for watching. Bye.